All right, let's get this content flowing. I know, let's try to get the sun behind me, or even like that. A couple weeks ago, you guys saw the video of trying to organize. Well, it's completely, literally flipped upside down. Where you saw stuff at one end, it's now at the other end. You saw stuff at that end, it's now at the other end. I built a couple things. I'm gonna go and show you and talk about future plans and whatnot. Sorry about the sun. It's behind me, and it's not blinding me. It's only blinding you. So, at the yard, so I can get the truck and head over to storage. Holly's on her way, bringing me lunch. Her and Landon, and we're gonna hang out for a little bit. So I always bring my bag with me. It's kind of like a woman's purse. Can't leave anywhere without it. It's got everything in it that I need. So get this. That's my little purse. All right, I'm gonna head over to storage and I'll see you guys there. All right. All right. That was a quick trip, huh? You guys hardly even felt it. So this one you got to take off 2 locks, so I got to figure out how to do this. All right. So last time I opened up this side, this is the side that the truck went in on. And in another video, when I was going through my parts, this is moving. It's not put together very well. I probably need to put a board underneath this right here to hold that up. But yeah, you saw this when I was going through all the parts. So there's that. It goes straight through now. But hold on, there's more. Let me get to the other side. See, on this side, there's 2 more locks. And just like that, they're off. Ooh. Boom. Ain't that some shit? All right, let me get some lights on in here. There we go. That's better. I got basically everything that was in the shop at the other bigger shop. This is just 1/3 it's just a 10 by 30. It goes through to the other side over there. If I squeeze all the way to one side, which that leaves very little room on one side, it leaves me enough room on this side to actually get in fairly easily without having to scratch and rub everything. I've got this generator in here. That was the first generator that I got way back when I was going 4-wheeling, and I needed a generator. But now I have this one. This one works really good for the camper and everything else we want to do. I still got to move a few things around. Still want to put up a couple more lights. These are not affixed. Basically what I bought flag hangers, and they screw onto there, and I just hooked it onto the lip and then used some paracord to hang them, and then ran my extension cords back and forth a few times down to a power source. But got over here, it's a little tight in here. I took the battery out so that it doesn't die and it's at the house charging. But see right here, this is the entrance to the other side to come straight in. And got a chair, had to get another jack, and that just sits right there. That ends up moving when I pull it out, but good storage. I need to get to those right back there. And then that's the, I built a desk. I built it up kind of high. This actually sits up probably about top of your belly height. And then I built the loft over the golf cart so I can get a bunch of this stuff up off the ground. So far, so good. This is working out. Like I said, there's a few more things I got to move around. The toolbox underneath here is barely being used. I need to get some more tools moved over into that so I can spread my tools out a little farther. Parts and, resources and stuff that I can use is right over here, all the way down with wiring and coping and hoses and airline and intake stuff. It's all right there. So a little bit of a process. trying to figure out exactly how everything should go in here. Like I said, I'd like another light right here to help do this section right here. This light works out great right there, and I'd like one more right here for this hallway. It's nice that it's a pass-through. Yeah, see, I still have two lights. Well, the one fluorescent one doesn't work, but I have LEDs, and I'm going to convert this into an LED. I have some LEDs at the house. That one is an LED, and if that one ever goes out, that is fluorescent, I can switch that one to LEDs, because I have 4 LED bulbs that I can put into these. Those for converting some of the lights at the house so that everything works and it's brighter. Future things to do aside from updating the shop is this is still sitting in a position where I need to get this panel up on that wall. I need to wrap the seats, put the seats back in here. Most everything's been painted. A lot of the little hardware and stuff is not done, but the dash needs to come out and get repainted. The new carpet I said was in. The new radio that I have, where is that at? I know I got a new radio over here somewhere, and some updated speakers that I'm going to use. There it is. Yeah, a Boss Elite that will go in there, and then I have some updated speakers somewhere. Not sure exactly where. I got the radio from Audio Envy in Searcy. It's a buddy of mine, Christopher, that owns the place, does really good audio. Searcy, Arkansas. Audio Envy. Write it down. Call them up. Anything you need. If you don't know how to do something, they can. When it comes to audio and really just a number of other things that they can do. Yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna say and get those totes out of there, because we got to get some stuff at the house packed up and moved over to the other storage unit. So I guess I should get started on that, and Holly and Landon should be here any minute. See you later, guys. Thanks for bringing lunch.
Bye.
I'll see you later. Love you.
Love you.
Bye. There they go. It's nice when you get a couple hours at the house. We sat here and just had lunch. I already turned the lights off. I moved a couple more things around. I got Landon's bike put up there. A couple things moved over that way. I had some fans on the ground back over here. They're now picked up. So now I have this clear space. There they are. They're going to throw trash away over there. Now I got a couple things moved around up here. So yeah, it's starting to come together. It's starting to feel more like a functional workspace. I don't know if I showed this side. I still got that thing's been around forever. And then this, you just got to stack up, stack up, stack up. So, all right, I guess I better get this thing shut down. Ooh, squeeze out of here. Talking to myself. Ah. That's it. Oh fuck, I forgot I got some shit I put on the back here. Yeah. All my little stuff. This stuff's gotta go over to the other storage. See if can I do this with 1.5 hands? Maybe, maybe not. I got a whole bunch of other projects that I got going on right now. I built a solar powered battery charging station at the house, but I'm thinking that I can probably do it. There you go, with the sun at my back again. I could probably take and put the charging station with that solar panel. I can do that solar panel. If I can mount it between the rails up here at the front, straight across, facing up, of course, and then run a wire down in, and then I can put my batteries inside the toolbox here, and then every now and again I can switch the alligator clamps, whatever, back and forth between the batteries. And then I plan on putting an onboard air system in this truck for the helper bags that I put in the rear, and that would actually help so that I can air it up and down. And then with the power being back there, I can leave 2 terminals kind of open so that I can clamp to those, and while I'm away on the road, it'll charge the battery on the truck. So yeah, I've already got the solar panel controller and all that at the house right now, charging up a battery. But that would be so much easier, because right now I couldn't move Lucy if I wanted to, because I don't have a battery with me. So this would put batteries back onto the truck that I could use on that. So yeah, I think that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Getting older, I should say, older. And if you didn't know, yeah, do it, lady. Subscribe, like, comment, and until next time, later, guys.